great experience. Surf lesson with equipment included in Taghazout. We were beginners, but our instructor Brahim was very patient and friendly. We'll be back, smile. Me and my girlfriend had a first lesson with Brahim, 2 hours length, and it was amazing. The guy is very kind and supportive for the first tries, which are very frustrating. We keep trying, and on the second part of the lesson we could manage to have some fun on the waves. Super recommended for both beginners with zero experience and for intermediates who only need some help. Your instructor, Driss, brings 9 years of dedicated surfing experience along with a strong competitive background, including a second-place finish at the Junior National Championship Morocco 2024 and first place at the Berbere Cup 2024. Drawing on this professional expertise, he enriches every lesson with advanced techniques, from turns to more complex maneuvers, all tailored to your individual skill level. We offer some of the most flexible and personalized surf experiences in the Taghazout region. With complete freedom in terms of time and location, each session is carefully adapted to suit your personal needs, goals, and preferences. As locals who have surfed the Taghazout coastline since childhood, we are deeply familiar with these waters and their ever-changing conditions. This local knowledge allows us to guide you to the best spots in any situation, ensuring not only your safety but also the most enjoyable and rewarding surf experience possible.